Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. This video tutorial will guide you on how to record your shared whiteboard screen in Teams during a call. In the previous video, we showed how to share the whiteboard in Microsoft Teams. When the recording is running, it does not capture the whiteboard content. We will now show you another way to record your screen. First, click on the Share button and select Whiteboard. The latest page content will appear immediately. Now click on Open in Browser at the top right of the whiteboard. You will be redirected to the online whiteboard. Sign in with your credentials by entering your username and password. Your whiteboard is now working online. Next, go back to the Teams meeting and stop sharing your whiteboard. Instead, click on the Share button and choose Entire Screen. Now the recording will capture your entire screen, including the whiteboard content. Keep working with the same settings. Once you're done, stop screen sharing and end the recording. As demonstrated in the video, the recording will be automatically uploaded to the shared folder in the general channel on the team. For more video tutorials, visit our channel.